my channel. Today I showed you guys how I install my wig. Everybody been asking me how I do my wig, so I just had to record it. But yeah, so if you're interested in how I did my wig and all that, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, so let's just get into it. Hey guys, this shit itch. I just came back from going out. I'm like drunk as fuck and sleepy and high. I just got done puking my guts out. But I'm gonna show you guys how I take my wig off. I got a sock. The socks just work better for me. I don't know why. It just do. And I take my alcohol. And I just pour it on there and just started taking it off like this. And go all the way around. It's already starting to lift. You don't want to cool because you're going to take your edges out, you know, so. This shit, it's. Okay, hurry up. Just coming off now. I do got a cap on here as well. Do not pull that off because it's on your edges. Good job. Going crazy. Oh, my head too. Alright, y'all. Okay, so I already had started already. And I forgot that I was supposed to be recording doing this. But the first thing I want to do that I did was put a stocking cap on. You can use whatever color fits your skin tone, but I just used this one. I already before I put this on, I had oiled my hair up with, I know I look crazy, but I had oiled it up with Camila Rose Brutal Hair Repair Oil. Whatever. I had put that in my hair, and then I just put the stocking cap on, and then I had used Got To Be Glued to, you know, glue it on or whatever. I use a spray sometimes, but the last time I did it with just this, it came out great. So I like to do that. Now I'm just gonna blow dry it, and yeah, so. Okay, so now what I like to do is begin to cut the stocking cap off. But if you're new to this, try on your wig to see where your hairline is, so you know where to cut. But I'm just gonna come on because I know. You can use scissors or a little razor. I'm gonna use my little razor too. You want to cut super close because you don't want the little stocking cap lifting up. You can take your spray or your Got To Be glue. I think I'm just gonna do the glue. I like the finish of it. do section by section because this shit can roll up on you. Now that you got your stocking cap on, I like to get my wig, brush it out, make sure it's straight. I'll leave the details on this wig down below, but I love this wig, to be honest. Look how just bomb it is. Now that you cut the stocking cap to your hairline, and you could put powder on it if you don't want it to look white. I put a little bit of powder on mine, but I like to get my wig and place it to my hairline and see where everything is going to lay. You know, everything's going good. Everything is laying where it needs to lay. So after you did that, I like to take my Ghost Bond and I'm going to begin to put this on my hairline. I like to put it on the stocking cap and my hairline just so it can lay, directly flat. But yeah, I'm gonna just dot this on. Now that you put the Ghost Bond on, you dotted it on, you want to get like a credit card or like some paper or anything. I just use my little Forever 21 tag. And you want to smooth it out because you don't want it to be bumpy. So smooth it out. And then you wait until it clears. Okay, now that it's clear, you want to get your wig and place down the middle first, because that's where you want it to be, where you want it to. Pull the lace kind of apart so it can lay flat, and then begin to place it on the Ghost Bond like so. Make sure you pull your sides as well, because you want everything to lay flat and not bunched up, like so. And pressing it down. I want everything to lay flat though. Make sure you don't got no hairs on the glue. This wig just stressed me the fuck out because it's just been acting stupid now that I want to record. But now I'm just doing my baby hairs lightly because I don't know how this shit gonna lay. But yeah. I'm gonna get my little rag and I'm gonna sit it down because this shit is acting up. I like to get like a little cotton pad. Get some alcohol. And just go around your hairline. So this is the finished look.